Hey, I'm Chris Clausen with Allaire Homes Chilliwack, and today we're on site in beautiful Hope, BC at a cabin we recently completed. This cabin was built for a couple that will use it for recreation with their family as well as future retirement. When the clients approached us, they really wanted this home sort of treehouse feel. And it's a very treed property set at the base of a mountain. This home really, when you get inside it, has this feeling of being up in the trees. One of the unique features this home has is this concrete wall that encompasses the front entry. And the story behind that wall is it was originally drawn as a wood frame wall with cultured stone, as you would typically see in many homes. But the client didn't like the idea of cultured stone and wanted a nice, clean aesthetic. So we discussed going to just raw concrete, and that enabled us to create the structure out of concrete, and it's also the finished product at the end of the day. And I think it's a really unique look and really adds to the character of this home. One feature this home has that you don't see on every home is exterior insulation. And you can see it on the thickness of the cladding assembly here. There's actually 2 inches of rock wool insulation in the exterior of the wall system. And what that does, creates exceptional energy performance and really reduces the energy it takes to heat or cool this home. This home features pre-finished hardy plank siding. And so it's got a unique finish that is wood grain. And so when you stand back from a distance, it looks like a wood siding. But it is fiber cement, factory pre-finished, so it is incredibly low maintenance, just requires a wash, and a very long lifespan. Let's take a look inside. This is the foyer, and it's a large and simple space that is used for, just taking off boots and jackets and getting in after playing out in the snow outside. And it also gives great access to the garage for, putting toys away and parking the ATVs and those kinds of things. It's finished in a simple ceramic tile, which is waterproof, durable, and very low maintenance. Welcome to the great room. As you can see, it really is a great room with a fantastic treehouse feel, with these floor-to-ceiling windows that take advantage of the views outdoors to the trees, the river below. Windows all around really connect you to the outdoor spaces. So this home features a really large sliding door, which is about 20 feet long and opens up to a 10-foot opening. The same tile flooring that we've seen on the lower floor, and this was chosen for its durability and very easy maintenance. It is anchored by this floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, which really sort of is a feature on one end of the great room. So this fireplace is featured in a tile made to look like natural stone. It's a thin veneer, it gives it a really nice natural look. The fireplace itself actually features a return vent, and so it does actually a really effective job of heating this space in the wintertime. So this railing over here has a bit of a story behind it. Originally it was designed with a half wall with some built-in cabinetry in front of it, but because of the beautiful windows behind it, the client really wanted to make sure she didn't impact that view. So we changed it to a glass railing, and this allows you to see through those windows from anywhere in the great room here. So the lighting in this home is high efficiency LED pot lighting. There's quite a number of them, you'll notice, and the reason for that is it has a really light, airy feel in the summertime, but in the wintertime, being located on the north side of a mountain, it's important to maintain that same airy light feel. So let's check out the kitchen. Very unique in a half galley style. One thing we're seeing in kitchens is a very simple aesthetic, and as you can see in this one, there's minimal hardware. We've got hardware down below, no hardware up top, and that's accomplished through these push-button latches, which still make it easy to open and close the doors, as well as a very unique backsplash in this house, being able to look right outside. The countertop is a 30-centimeter gray quartz that really plays well off the white cabinetry finish. The backsplash is a copper finished subway tile that gives a unique pop of color in this simple kitchen. The reason they went with this layout is the owners are not big cooks, and they wanted to maximize the living space at this level. This is the master bedroom, one of 2 bedrooms in this home, and it also has these beautiful large windows that look out into the trees. What a great place to wake up. Let's take a look at the ensuite. And as you can see, it has the similar gray quartz counters, simple white cabinetry, and these cool vessel sinks that we're seeing more and more of. So the only area of the home where you'll see a different type of floor is in the ensuite shower. And it has this really cool pebble tile floor. Take a look at this beautiful outdoor space up on the second level. It's got a fire table and a barbecue to enjoy time with your friends. It really expands the indoor living space. Beautiful railing overlooking the trees and the gorgeous river just below you here. Thank you for watching this Allaire home tour. If you want to see more, please like and subscribe.